Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Elantra oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 4 quarts. Next, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and jack stands, then locate the oil drain plug and oil filter underneath. Always prioritize safety by ensuring the vehicle is stable before working. Once your vehicle is securely lifted, position the drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to start flowing immediately. Allow all the old oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure the flow has stopped before proceeding to the next step. After the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Be aware that some residual oil may spill, so have your drain pan ready. Apply a thin layer of new engine oil to the rubber gasket of the new filter before installing it. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with the wrench. Reinstall and securely tighten the oil drain plug. Now, carefully pour the new engine oil into the engine through the oil filler cap. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact capacity, typically around 4 quarts. Once filled, start the engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.